pre-K. This week, we're still being scientists, and one of our experiments this week, we mixed some colors together. So I thought I would read this really cool book called Little Blue and Little Yellow by Leo Leone. And look what happens. When you mix blue and yellow, you get green. So let's see what happens in our book about Little Blue and Little Yellow. This is Little Blue. Here he is at home with his papa and his mama Blue. Now Little Blue has many friends, but his best friend is Little Yellow, who lives across the street with his family. Well, Little Blue and Little Yellow, they love to play hide and seek and ring a ring of roses. And in school, they sit in very neat rows. But after school, they like to run and jump. Well, one day, Mama Blue went shopping. Now, you stay at home, Little Blue, she said. But Little Blue went out to look for Little Yellow. But the house across the street was empty. Nobody was home. How do you think Little Blue felt? He probably was sad. But you know what? He looked here and there and everywhere until suddenly, around the corner, there is Little Yellow. How do you think he feels now? Happy to see his friend, right? Happily, they hugged each other. What happened when they hugged? Little Blue and Little Yellow become green. And they hugged each other. Uh-oh. Look, there's a little bit of green here. A little bit more green. And they hugged until they were green. Do you see any blue? Do you see any yellow? Neither do I. Well then, they went to play in the park. They ran through a tunnel. They chased Little Orange. They climbed a mountain. And when they were tired, they went home. But Papa and Mama Blue said, "You are not our Little Blue. You are green." And Papa and Mama Yellow said, "You are not our Little Yellow. You are green." Uh-oh. They were sad. Little Blue and Little Yellow were so sad that they cried. And they cried so hard they cried blue tears, and they cried yellow tears, and they cried and they cried and they cried until they were all tears. All blue tears. All yellow tears. Well, when they finally pulled themselves together, they said, "Will they believe us now? Are they still green?" They aren't, are they? Mama Blue and Papa Blue were very happy to see their Little Blue. They hugged and they kissed him. And then they hugged Little Yellow too, but as they hugged Little Yellow, look what happened. They became green. Now they knew what had happened, so they went across the street to bring the good news. And look at that. They all hugged each other with joy, and the children all played until supper time. The end. Isn't that a fun book about mixing colors? I hope you're having fun this week being scientists and mixing different colors. You can mix colors with markers or crayons or paint or even food coloring. and sometimes even Play-Doh. So have fun, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.